The localparam keyword. It is used to define parameters locally to a module or scope. Their syntax is similar to the parameter keyword. In Verilog HDL, the localparam is different from the parameters as they cannot directly be modified with the defparam keyword. But in Systemverilog, the parameter keyword can be used as a synonym for the localparam keyword. In general, you will use the localparam keyword to define parameters which are local to the module, and usually those will be derived from the port parameters, as shown in this example. You can also use the parameter keyword instead of localparam here, and both will function exactly in the same manner. Run-time constants. You can declare a runtime constant using the keyword const. This is a Systemverilog specific keyword and not available in Verilog. A static constant declared with the const keyword can be set to an expression of literals, parameters, local parameters, genvars or enumerated names. An automatic constant declared with the const keyword can be set to any expression that would be legal without the const keyword. Hierarchical names are also allowed with const usage because constants declared with the const keyword are calculated after elaboration. You can consider const variable as a variable that can only be initialized in its declaration, and never assigned another value again. Typically, you don't need to use the const keyword in design coding.